Welcome again, my dear students. Today we are going to continue chapter Public Enterprises, Public Utilities and Public Private Partnership. Okay. In last video, we talked about the meaning and feature of public enterprises. Now in this video, we will talk about objectives of public enterprises. Okay. So let's start with the objective of public enterprises. Okay. In India, public enterprises have been assigned to tasks realizing the objective laid down in the directive principle of state policy. Okay. The main objective of public enterprises are as follows. First one is economic development. First one is economic development. Public enterprises were set up to accelerate to the rate of economic growth in a planned manner. These enterprises have created sound industrial base for rapid industrialization of the country. So, for all-round development economy, it is essential that the country must have infrastructure with basic key industries like petroleum, railways, iron, steel, etc. Okay, since these industries required huge capital, since these industries required huge capital investment for for long time, so private entrepreneurs not set up such type of industry. Okay, because private enterprise want to quick and maximum profit, and return on such industries is very low, so that government taken such responsibilities by establishing such type of industries. Okay, now we will move on second point, that is self reliance. Self reliance. Another aim of the public enterprise is to promote self-reliance in the strategic sector of the national economy. For this purpose, public enterprise have been set up in the transportation, communication, energy, petrochemicals, and any other key and basic industries. Okay, so public enterprise are engaged in the production of capital goods which were being imported earlier. These enterprises valuable for exchange through import substitutions. As such, public enterprise policy of export promotion, import substitution has attaining goal of self-reliance. Okay, so public enterprises are engaged in the production of capital goods, okay, which were earlier imported. These enterprises valuable for exchange through import substitutions. So export promotion, import substitution has attaining goal of self-reliance. Okay, next point is development of backward areas. Next point is development of backward areas. Several public enterprises were established in the backward areas to reduce regional imbalance of development. So yes, basically due to lack of infrastructure, private entrepreneurs hesitated to set up industries in backward areas and remote areas. But public enterprises are set up industries in such backward areas and remote areas to remove regional disparities. Okay, provide employment opportunity and ensure balance of development of the country. Okay, so private entrepreneur hesitated for a set up the backward industry in the backward and remote areas, but government public industries set up industries in such backward and remote areas to remove regional disparities. provide employment opportunities and ensure balanced development of the country. Okay. Next one is employment generation. Next one point is employment generation. Unemployment has become a serious problem in India. Public enterprises seek to offer gainful employment to millions. So public enterprise always to try to provide more and more employment opportunities to the general public, so that it can achieve social objective along with the economic development, okay, of the country. And along with the gainful employment, they also provide housing, education, medical and other facilities for the welfare of the employees. Okay. So employment generation. And next point is, that is economic surplus. Next point is economic surplus. Public enterprises seeks to generate and mobilize surplus for reinvestment. These enterprises can earn money and mobilize public saving for industrial development. Basically, so public enterprises work for non-profit, but whatever surplus comes from public enterprises, they reinvest of that surplus for industrial development. Okay. And next point is egalitarian society. An important objective of the public enterprise is to prevent concentration of economic power and growth of the private monopolies. Public sector helps the government to enforce social control or trade industry for ensuring equitable distribution of goods and services. So one of the main objective behind setting up the public enterprises was to check monopolistic and restrictive trade practices. Okay. Monopolistic and restrictive trade practices which might be adopted by the private enterprises. So apart from having equitable distribution of income and wealth, they also had to protect worker as well as consumer from the exploitations. Okay. Egalitarian society. Next point is consumer welfare. Next point is consumer welfare. Public enterprises seeks to protect consumer from exploitation and profiteering by ensuring supply of essential commodities at cheaper prices. So this is the most important objective of the public enterprise, that they take care of the interest of the consumer. So whatever efforts are made for this, it is done by the public enterprises. Okay. And next point is public utilities. The private sectors is guided by the profit motive, therefore it resultant in the invest money in the public utility service like water supply, gas, electricity, transport. Therefore government has to assume responsibility for providing such services. Basically private enterprises also provide utility, but main aim of private enterprises is earning profit. Therefore they choose only those areas which gives quick and maximum return. But the government enterprises, public enterprises has to ensure that responsibility providing public utility services like gas, electricity, transportation, etc. Okay. And next point is defense. Next point is defense. Government has to set up public enterprises for production of defense and equipment. Supply of such equipment cannot interested for private sector due to the need of utmost secrecy. So yes, public enterprise are engaged in the production of public sector enterprises was set up to ensure smooth functioning of defense department. Defense department is very sensitive and strategic area of concern, and such government cannot involve other participate due to danger of linkage of confidential information. Okay.